It's April 11th. I just looked over and saw Katya in Aster's crate and wondering what he'll do. Come here, honey. If he sees her. Who's in your crate? Where's Katya? Where is Katya? Do you see Kitty? He's waiting for food. He just had a couple carrots. He wants more. Right? You like your carrots? Yes, I... He likes the word carrots. Where's Katya? Do you see Katya? Oh, who's that sleeping in my bed? Oh, look at the kitty. Good girl. She's sweet. Alright, apparently he doesn't care. All he cares about is eating. Oh, he just saw the kitty. Oh, the idea of having carrots. Whoop. Carrots? He just had 3 of them. Actually, the food on the counter is my dinner. Go see Kitty? Where's Katya? Where's the kitty? Whoops. Alright, here he goes. Oh, he just kind of nudged her. Who's that? Oh, easy. Don't be mean. Easy. Aster, no bite. Alright, he's trying to get her out. No. Aster, back up. Okay. His tail is wagging. He thinks this is great fun. Leave her. No. No. Okay. Time to stop him.